My issue specifically is a rear oxygen sensor signal too high. ECM-221C, I think that's correct, and it'll kind of sort of throw mass air. Just unbox my new toy, and that would be a smoke detector kit, because I keep throwing codes and I need to pass my emissions test. Fire it up, take a scene. And not sure how well you can see that. Voila, smoke. All right, so for what it's worth, there is on Amazon reviews, do not use this for evap leaks where that needs to be below like 1 or 2 psi, because this thing puts out like around 19 psi. So there's not really anything to kind of scale back here, dial it back. And man, this thing does put out a lot of smoke. I got the tester going and plugged into the intake pipe going into the turbo inlet, and not finding any leaks anywhere. I had this a little loose, so not too much pressure builds up, and not finding any leaks. I was like, is it not working? Is it not getting past the turbo? Is there a valve closed? So to kind of double check, I kind of introduced a leak in the charging pipe. You can see that it's coming out and nowhere else. So there's other than the one I just created, there's no leak in the intake. So I'm not sure what to try next. Maybe the throttle body, and see what happens. Throttle's tighten back up, loosen that, not to apply too much pressure on the rest of the system, so you have a bunch of, you know, kind of smoke spilling out, but kind of going around. No leaks anywhere else, so not even small ones. So bottom line, there is no leak in my air intake, unless, you know, putting this back all together, I create a new leak. So if there's too much air getting into the system between the mass airflow sensor and the rear O2 sensor, then it's got to be from the down pipe to the cat, somewhere down there. So exhaust is next.